of the S-BOND, just showing how you can sort of fix your skirting boards really, where you always tend to get this crack where the skirting board meets the wall. So we take our S-BOND, we apply it on over the crack. Doesn't really matter if you don't get it absolutely perfect. Take your smooth out tool, what we do, we go over that area and if you, the build up that you get on there, it's a bit awkward because I'm doing this with one hand, but you can take the wipes, if you can get them with one hand, obviously that'll clean that straight off, even with that hand really, but more to the point, look at the finish, absolutely flawless.